teacher, and all my dear friend. First of all, I say a wonderful morning to all of you.
Great morning, Paridi.
My name is Preeti, and today I am here for delivering a wonderful speech on English speaking. As you already know, English is an international and worldwide language. There are 195 countries total in this world, and out of them, English is the medium of communication in almost 88 nations. It is the second largest language spoken in India after Hindi, with around 100 million people communicating in English. Apart from this figure, English has become the extreme need of the young generation and students in today's era. The question rises why it has become so important for the students and the other people to have good command of English speaking. So let's shed some light on it. Firstly, English speakers are believed to be more confident than others, and you know, confidence is the first key to success, and English gives us that confidence to stand and speak in the front of the people and stage as well. The people who have good command of English speaking find it easy to deliver lectures and communicate with others and dealing with national and international. Also develops our personality. It almost doubles our personality. Personality is not just how you look from outside. It lies within you. The way you talk, walk, behave, all are the part of your personality. The experts believe that your outlook matters only for 45%. That's 55% your inner skills, like speaking ability and dealing with other people. Lastly, the main purpose of studying at school and university level is getting success in their life. But in the modern world of 21st century, it seems impossible to get success without speaking in English, as all interviews of multinational companies and government jobs is in English only. So if you want to succeed at national level and get a high profile job or want to do your own business, so I request to you focus on your English speaking and how you can improve your speaking. Go with the natural way of English. We learn most common basic words and start using them in your daily life. You can also join the personality development program and can take help of English grammar book as well. Nowadays, we can see online English video lectures also helping the student to a large extent. At last, I want to say that English is a language. 20 to 30 minutes practice it on daily basis can give you a big change. So know the importance of English speaking. Learn it, practice it, and rock that. But thank you for kindly listening. Have a nice day.